Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be doing my makeup. So yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing I added is always my e.l.f. primer, right there. And it actually says e.l.f. because it's an e.l.f. sort of primer, but it's supposed to keep basically your makeup on for like a couple days or like a couple hours. So yeah. I'm sort of running out of this stuff, so yeah. I have a mirror right here, so I'm going to be focused on that a little. And yeah, I think this is going to be my 4th video. So yeah, I'm really excited. Okay. The next thing I do when I do my makeup, because I have all my makeup set up on this table right here. So yeah. First, the next thing I do is I add my e.l.f. foundation. I know they both say e.l.f. and I'm confused because I think they're the same brand. So yeah, that was weird. Okay. And I just bought a brand new sponge, and it's so soft. It's like a blanket, guys. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna add my foundation. Okay. I don't need that much. Ooh, that's cold, guys. In my forehead, because you cannot miss your forehead when you're doing makeup. Oh, oh my gosh, guys. And most of the times you just want to pat. Sometimes when you're doing it this way, but I sometimes rub because I'm not really a professional at makeup, but I really do know how to do makeup a lot. I do a lot of makeup, so. And if you hear some music in the background, my dad's downstairs playing music, so. And you sometimes want to do your lips because it also helps your lipstick stay on. I apply it like it's lipstick, so yeah. I'm just creasing. I'm adding more foundation because I couldn't really see it, so. So I finished adding my foundation and my e.l.f. primer. So I'm gonna put the lid back on. The next thing you most of the times want to add is I add blush. Some people just add eyeshadow right away. I don't really add eyeshadow right away. The only thing is my blush brush is a little weird because it's sort of like an eye brush, a blender. It's a blender blush. I couldn't really find my actual brush like that, like your brush that's gold like that. So I'm going to use some gold as well. I'm also using my mirror. And I'm actually really good at a makeup person. So yeah. And I added a lot of it because good makeup. Because I added a little too much, but you know what you guys just do? Just rub some over it, but then you have to, yeah. That's my nose. I don't know, I just made my nose really shiny. So then the next thing I'm going to do is, I have this Fruit Butter Lip Mask. I just add this before I actually add my actual lipstick because it's healthy, I guess. I have to use my fingers, so yeah. I'd actually get every single crease, guys, like every single crease. Then I have to add my eyeshadow. I have literally, I'm going to show you guys all my eyeshadow palettes real quick. 2 of them are really old, and these are the 2 first. This one's really old, guys. I've had it for many years, since I was like 6, I think. And we also got this one that's really old, so yeah. And then we got this one that's sort of old. It's not that old. This one that's old-ish. This one that's not, it's old because I got it from my sister. Well, I didn't get it from her, from that one. Got it for her when she gave me some makeup, so yeah. So yeah. I love this one so much. I just bought it and it was like $7 or $6, I don't know. It's a little ruined already, but it has amazing colors. I'm gonna try to show you guys a little up close. So yeah, it's really nice. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 makeup palettes, but I'm gonna be using my brand new one, and I'm so excited about it. So that's my neighbor shoveling right now. So this is where you cannot mess up, guys. Like, cannot. I'm gonna do a little bit of pink. Maybe a little bit of orange because it's pink and orange. You guys can't, I was weird. Then I'm going to use the other side to just crease in a little bit of this orange color by the side. Yeah. But okay, so I'm going to show you guys my makeup fully at the end. So now we're going to do my lipstick. I have 3 lipsticks and I don't know which one to use. Really? Okay, I found one that matches perfect. It'll go perfect with my makeup set. I got it on my dude. Okay. Woohoo! Now we gotta do my eyelashes, or my eyebrows, I shall say. And there's this mini brush at the end. You just like crease it. I have no clue. Okay, so I'm gonna do my I know my hair's like that because I have to, so I can get my eyebrows. Once before, my cousin did like fleek, like on fleek. That's like eyebrows are on fleek. Yeah, some people do that, guys. They put their eyebrows too on fleek, and it takes me about like a couple minutes to do my eyebrows because you really don't want to mess up. You gotta go mini brush. So the mini brush messes it more up, so you can just put it. Okay, finish with that. Okay, that looks so weird. Okay, guys, I know. Okay, we're just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. Like my other eyebrow, I shall say. Okay, gotta do that. Okay. On the fleek. Okay, I put my hairs on fleek because then they look nice, but then I have to fix them. And then I have to go over them with a mini brush. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Can you guys please hit that thumbs up button? Please just hit the thumbs up button. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can always be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!